So hi and welcome back to my second video on compound interest. So in this video I'll teach you few concepts, few formulas. I'll tell you which formula to use when, and there are four types of question. So let's begin. The first formula we all know, amount. Formula which we did last time is A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. If you don't know what each word means what, go to my previous video and see. Okay, so now there are few formulas. So first formula I call it as a formula method. So by the way, this will be all formula page, so please write these formulas in a new page. So the question is, if you have to find the change in the new value directly using formula method, there is one formula. So the formula is, suppose the formula question is percentage increase. Percentage increase. If the question is this, so the formula is new value is equal to initial value bracket 1 plus R upon 100. If you don't know which to use when, follow this method. This is the most simplest method. New value equal to initial value 1 plus R upon 100. This is for percentage increase. And if you have percentage decrease, so the formula for percentage decrease is new value equal to initial value bracket 1 minus R upon 100. For now just learn these formulas, and I'll just take one sum and I'll teach you how to solve this kind of question. So I've taken one question. The price of coat is rupees, so it's $140. After the sale ends, the price increases by 20%. Find the new value, find the new price. So initially the price of the coat was $140, and there is increase by 20%. Find the new value. So NV means new value, IV means initial value, R is the rate of increase or decrease. Whatever is the question, just put the sign properly. So I'll apply this formula. So I'll write all the given. The initial value is $140 is $140, and the R is 20%. I have to find new value. So new value is equal to initial value 1 plus R upon 100. So initial value is $140, 1 plus R is 20 upon 100. Cancel. This will be, I hope you know how to do this kind of sums. So 1 plus 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 2 by 10 is 0.2. So this will become 140 into 1.2. So do 140 into 1.2. So I will take a calci. 140 into 1.2, you get $168. So the new value is $168. So this is how you have to do this kind of sum whenever they have asked them simple question. What is the new value or old value? Means there will be either increase or decrease. So you have to apply the formula in this way. So please have a look, and now I'll do for the next sum for percentage decrease. So the next question is for percentage decrease. The price of a coat is $130. After the sale ends, the price decreases by 20%. Find the new price. So again same thing, this is the initial value. So the IV is $130, and after the sale ends, the price decreases by 20%. So you have to subtract R. R will be 20%. Find the new value. So new value is initial value 1 minus R upon 100. Initial value is $130, 1. This will be 2 upon 20 upon 100. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So this will become 1 minus 0.2. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. So multiply 8 say 24. You have $104. So this is very simple. So you have to apply this formula. You have to just see how the questions, what are they asking, and just apply the appropriate formula. I hope you got this kind of sums, and I'll go further now. Just have a look and I'll go further now. The next type of question is, next type of concept is called as direct multiply. I will write, it's called direct multiply. So I have only given this name. Suppose the question is 6% increase. 6% increase. So you have to multiply by 1.06 with whatever is the value. Suppose the question is 8% decrease. You have to multiply with 0.92. Now how this has come? This has come actually from this formula only. So if you add, how has this come? If I do 1 plus 6%, this will be 1 plus 0.06. So you get 1.06 only. And if you do 1 minus 8%, you'll have 1 minus 0.08. You get 0.92. Same thing. This is the same thing as the above. So if you are fast, you can do this way. If you are slow, you can do this way. Doesn't matter. Just get the answer right. So I have taken one sum. So either you can do it step by step, or you can do formula method. Which you find easy, do that. So I prefer formula method, but I'll teach you both the methods. The principal is $10,000, compounded 5% annually. Find the amount after 4 years. 4 years. So we have got direct formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So you have got $10,000. 1 plus R is 5% annually for 4 years. So you get 10,000 and you have 1.05 raised to 4. Now we require calci. Let's take use of calci. $10,000 into 1.05 exponential 4. Something's wrong. But I'll find this value. 1.05 exponential 4. Something wrong. Bracket 1.05 raised to 4. So 1.05 raised to 4. We have 1.2155. There are 4 zeros and the 4 decimal places. There are 4 places after decimal. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have $1,2,155 at the end of 4 years. So this is one method. This is direct method, or you can go step by step. The choice is yours. So you have to see according to question. The question can change if they ask you to find the difference between the interest in third and fourth year. You have to subtract the end value of third and fourth year. So I'll just take. I'll just do one by one. So in the first year, I'll go simple way. New value equal to initial value 1 plus R upon 100. So in the first year, the initial value is $10,000 and it's increasing by 5%. You have 1.05 decimal. So you will have, right? So at the end of 1 year, you will have $500 extra. This is the new value at the end of first year. I'll go for second year. In the second year, formula will remain the same, but IV will change because IV will be this time 10,500 and not only 10,000. And this will be 1.05. Now when you add 10500 into 1.05, you get $11,025. So this is the new value at the end of second year. Now for third year, formula will remain same, NV equal to IV 1 plus R upon 100. Initial value is 11025 1 plus 5 by 100. One 1025 1.05. If I do equal to 11025 into 1.05, 11576.25. This is the interest at the end of third year. In the fourth year, this will become the principal. So new value is equal to initial value 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So initial value is 11576.25. I'll do directly this time. I hope you are getting the concept because this value will multiply with the new value all the time. So do directly now 1.05. 12155.0625. This is the new value at the end of fourth year. So this is the amount you will get at the end of fourth year. So let's compare. It's right. It's right. So over here there was I can say calci error, and this I've done step by step. So you're getting in cents also, you're getting whole number over here, but the first part is same. You can see this value and this value is same. So I've done here step by step, so you'll get more accuracy. And this you have done by calci. I've taken only the first 4 places after decimal. If I've taken more values, I would have got the same answer, but the answer is same. So in both the cases, the answer will be same all the time. So this is the formula. This is the concept for this sum. Simple sum. So please pause where you're getting doubt and please copy it. I'll go for the next type of sum for minus. Now the next sum is for depreciation. We have to use negative value. So the car cost is $100,000. It depreciates 5% annually. Find the value of car after 3 years. So any material thing will always depreciate except gold and silver or some precious things, they will appreciate. So I will go directly this time. I'll use both the methods. So you have to find the value of car after 3 years. And this is depreciating. So when you depreciate, you have to use negative value. So A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. The principal is $100,000. Up to is minus. My mistake. Is minus sign. 1 minus 5 upon 100 raised to 3 years. 100, this will be 0.95 raised to 3. Let's use calci. Eight five seven three seven five. So this is the value of the car at the end of 3 years. If it was a vintage car, it would appreciate, but this is normal car, so it will depreciate. Now this is formula method. I will go step by step. I'll go direct. I'll go normal step by step method. So let's draw a line over here. So this is depreciating. You have to use minus sign. 1 minus r upon 100. So initial value is 10, 100. 1 minus this will be 5 upon 100. 100,000. This will be 0.95. Decimal, after decimal there are two places, so 2 zeros will go. This will be 95,000. So at the end of first year the value of car will become $95,000. Now for second year, let's find the value of the car in second year. Formula will remain same, only IV will change. One, I'll do directly on this time. I hope you are getting the concept. This multiplication value will remain same because it's just a number. This will become 0.95. 0.95 into 95,000. You get 90,250. So this is the value of car at the end of second year. Now we'll find the value of car at the end of third year. So formula will remain same. NV equal to IV 1 minus r upon 100. Initial value will be this 90250. I will directly 0.95 into 0.95. Get the same value. Yes, it is same value. It should be same value. So this is step by step and this is direct formula. And suppose the question is find the value depreciated from second year to third year. Means you have to find a difference in the value from the second year to third year. Just subtract this two. Subtract this. So change in value from second to third year. 90,250 minus 85737.5. So the change in value is 4512.5. So this is the difference in the value from second year to third year. Same thing you can calculate over here also. In the previous part also you can calculate over there and find the interest from second year to third year. So this was the second sum of that series. Now we'll go for types of sum. How many types of sums are there? So there are total 4 types of sum. First is direct compound interest, which were applied A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 or 1 minus R upon 100, whatever is the case. Next comes in shopping. We have done in this video only the previous questions. Then it can be of population, means the population of a place is increasing by so much rate, or the population of rats is increasing by so much rate, and the population of 10 years, 20 years and so on. And the last one, this is important sum because this comes in questions. Mostly this is also in exams. If money is compounded annually, half yearly, quarterly, monthly and so on, So what will be the compound interest in these cases? So the last one is the most important. So I'll be covering all these four types of questions in my next video. So if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and whatever you feel, you can comment it. If you want any more questions, I'll go to for practice. So that's it for my this video. I'll meet you in the next video.